I guess there's a lot of people who don't like boat repair videos, but for my business, they get to see what I did and know that I did it right. And YouTube ain't paying me a lot, I'll tell you that. People watch about 5 minutes of my video and then they're out of there. So to all my customers that brought stuff over the last few years, thank you. It does, like, that's cool. And I'm just over here like everybody else, trying to make a living and doing the best I can. So thanks for watching, subscribing, commenting, liking the videos. Appreciate it. That's not even, that's an inventory lower, isn't it? Does look better for an 86, I tell you. They'll run for freaking ever. All right, well, it's warming up. This is how far I've got with this fence. Got another post in, but I mean, you could tell it's not even cured, man, because it's frozen still. So I can't do anything until I get that figured out. And what else? I don't know. I have no idea. I may have to put a board back here on the back side of this. Just thinking about this. When I tack these boards, if that one's gonna sit on top of that one, then how are you gonna tack it to that board? Unless you go all the way to the ground. But it's a lot easier to cut these if you're sitting on top of this lip. I ain't a carpenter, so I'm just trying to do what I can do. It's not that I'm cheap. Well, I am cheap. These are too short. These are the old ones. So if it's resting there, I gotta have something that goes on the back side to tack to. So I'm not sure what to do there. I think I'll just add some more 2x4s, but then that costs more money. And these aren't tall enough. So if it's a 6 foot, I'm at 6'6" and 5/8" there. And 6 foot would be, like, I wouldn't want to go, I don't know how far I can go. But then the problem is, these boards tend to go in like that, like the wood pushes in. And it's not, but I wanted to put a cap. I don't know what to do. Because there's going to be another outer board, like a beauty board, that goes, whew. I don't know if I get it that long, but because this is 16 feet. But I could halves it, and it would look good. You know? Anyway, so I gotta, it's starting to warm up enough I can be out here working. And I got this guy over here. I want to plug up my computer, and I'm going to check it out, make sure there's no codes, see what the hours are, so I can give it to my customer. It's a 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. It's a 4-stroke variety. It's got a vessel view on it, so I'm gonna go in, just unplug the vessel view, hook up M.E.D.S, and make sure we don't have anything weird going on. And I haven't heard it run after I changed the oil and the lower unit oil. So I just thought, hey man, you know, make sure it's good. Don't want to tell them it's good and it ain't good. And this thing over here is driving me crazy because well, I'm gonna have to do a whole thing on that, because that's kind of crazy. It's not crazy, it's just interesting, like the decay of disrepair. Anyway, that might be like, that's one of those, it's a good boat, but it's like a project boat, big time. All right, let me get busy and get to work. All right, well, let's diagnose this engine. See if it's got any problems. I don't know, I haven't heard it run, so I don't know. Gotta take the, our little port here. This is our CAN bus for Mercury. And I got it hooked up to my M.E.D.S system up there. Got water in my tub. Yeah. Got some ready to fire it up, so. Anyway, we can do a report for him. We'll find out what we find out, I guess. Yes, computer went to sleep. All right. Let's see. We got to do key on. Let's go up here. And it's kind of loose. See if we can tighten it a little bit. I know you guys can't see it. Anyway, I guess we're in key on. All right, we got some power. I mean, our gauge is moved. Looks like we got a little bit of fuel. You know, we don't know if our RPMs or anything. We'll check it out in a second. Let's see if we hear anything. Not hearing anything there. Yeah, that's working. Okay. You know, we like all these are kind of, you know, the way they are. I'm guessing that probably this will want to be, you know, throttle on, but I got the key on. That's the big thing for right now. I'm gonna hear, see if I can hear bilge. I don't hear anything. Oh, master power. If he even has. Yeah, the horn works. Okay. Alright, so coming back to my computer. Got the key on. I'm gonna launch this M.E.D.S. I don't know, I'm gonna be able to do this. It's really not enough room. Maybe I'll do like this, and whatever happens, happens, but. So I'll launch M.E.D.S. M.E.D.S. Man, I can't talk. Alright. Let's see if we can't make this. Alright. Local system information. One engine active, starboard. Okay. Let's see, real-time data. Anything? What we got selected? We TPS, map. We select the map, I guess, as you call it. Okay. Let's see if any of this data. All right, system info. Let's see what I have. Okay, Gen 3. Okay. Let's view history. So we'll read the history on this, and I don't know, see what it tells us. I'll take it a minute. History 0. Huh. Okay. So let's go to any active faults. See if we got any active lamps. They call them lamps. It's like, you know, how do I explain that? You might as well just call it a module, you know. 0, normal. Guardian active 0, so it's inactive. No trouble codes. Horn output stayed off. No previous codes. So let's send that to file, and then I'm gonna go to here. So no active faults. System history. Center, ECM 41. Let's see, real-time data is that. Alright, there's our window. Is it options? No. Alright, I'm not sure why it would do it before. It's doing it now. It says generating report, so I guess it'll take it a second or two to do, because it spits it out like a PDF file. Hey, it's a little chilly sitting up here. I may have to go get my other coat on. I'm gonna wait for that, and then I'm gonna turn the key and see if it gives us anything. I doubt it. It looks like it's just fantastic, so, but we can give him his hours and stuff like that. I can keep it too, because okay, at 30 hours we replace this, and you get the idea. All right, well, I don't know, didn't show us much information. It's kind of weird, but I'm sure it's fine. I'm gonna start it, so I might as well leave it like that. We can see it says the USB cable detected. What is it? You can do that. Alright, I don't know. Let me get out of here. For some reason it's... Yeah, I mean, it sounds good. Runs really good. Nice. And I've got the throttle up just a little bit to warm it up. But, one engine active. Let's see what our live data. I don't know. It's not really giving us USB cable detected. Just check my oil, you know. I know I'm good, but it doesn't hurt, you know. And then I can ship it. Unless he wants me to do anything else. And he might. I don't know. You know, that's the thing about boats, man. You can really trick them out. Like, you can do all kinds of stuff. You know, you can add this or add that. One thing is he has vessel view. I'm gonna suggest to him to go buy a cheap iPad and a little place to mount. Like you can get those little mounts, even a RAM mount, and then you can connect your vessel view to sorry, I'm trying to do this, log in. You could connect your vessel view to your engine, or your, you know, he has vessel view, and it's a little tag that plugs into this multi-pin connector that I'm trying to get to work. For some reason it's not wanting to play nice. And then USB to that, so then it comes up through your app. It has an app and it shows you everything. One engine active. All right, so let's see let's see if we got any data. Doesn't really look like any real-time data. Let's go over here.
I thought,
how did he do that?
That video get demonetized.
I mean, unless he went in and he, like, you know, claimed it or asked for a license.
Unless he's...
Maybe these guys are starting to get hip that, hey, we could give these guys a license, you know.
Yeah.
Well, I figured out that my CDI will not read anything from 2023 up. I guess they want you to take it to a dealer, you know. So it said they're working on it. We'll see what happens. But anyway, that's my update on that deal. It's cold. What do you think? What are you doing? Huh?
Fixing Buffalo Hot Wings, man.
Buffalo Hot Wings.
Yeah. Buffalo Hot Wings. Man's gotta eat around here.
Well, yeah.